Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert slicer on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document and then select any cell on the table. Then click on Table Design tab. Now if you want to make slicer on the first column, at first you have to select first column and then click on Table Design tab again. And here on the tools option you can see insert slicer option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Use a slicer to filter data visually. Slicer make it faster and easier to filter tables, pivot tables, pivot charts and cube functions. Then just click here, and here you can see three options: 81, 50, minus 31, and then you can choose any column as you want. If I select column B, that means 50, and then click on OK, and it's done. You can see slicer has been inserted successfully. You can also change your slicer position. That's it. And that is how you can insert slicer on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.